Hi, good morning, primary one. How are you today? Miss Leah hopes that all of you are fine today. Are you ready to start our English lesson for today? Today we are going to discuss about parts of body, or in Indonesian we can say bagian-bagian tubuh. Do you know what are the parts of our bodies? Okay, let's see the example here. The first one is arm. Arm in Indonesian means lengan. So you can see this picture. This is the picture of an arm or sebuah lengan. Okay, the second example is ear. Ear means telinga. If only one, we need to say ear. But if there are two ears, we need to say ears because all of us have two ears. So we need to use S. Ears means kedua telinga. Alright, the next example of the parts of the body is eye. Eye in Indonesia means mata. All of us have two eyes. We use our eyes to see the things around us. The next example about parts of our bodies is hand. We use our hand if we want to shake the hands with the other people, or if we want to take something or want to touch something, so we need to use our hands. Alright, the next example about parts of our bodies is foot, or in Indonesian we can say kaki. Ya, in here it means bagian jari kaki sampai mata kaki. We need to say foot, but in here you have to remember that foot is only for one. Ya, how if there are two? If there are two, so we need to say feet. Okay, let's move to the other example about parts of our bodies. The next is hair, or in Indonesian, hair means rambut. Yeah, some of you maybe have the long hair, the short hair, maybe the black hair, and also the brown hair. Hair means rambut. And the next example is head. Head means kepala. So our parts of the bodies start from our neck until our hair, we call head, or in bahasa we can say kepala. Okay, how about this picture? Yeah, we can call leg. Yeah, leg means kaki, but it's different with the foot. Yeah, leg in here means bagian kaki. Ya, mulai dari mata kaki hingga paha. Okay, and then the next is mouth. Mouth means mulut. Yeah, if we want to say something, if we want to talk to our friends, talk to our teachers, we need to use our mouth. Yeah, mouth means mulut. The other example about parts of our bodies is neck. Neck means leher. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of neck. How about this picture? Yes, the next parts of our bodies is nose. Nose means hidung. If we want to smell something, we need to use our nose. Alright, I think that's all from me everyone. Thank you so much for your time and see you in the next video. Bye!